Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create like this motion trail text animation in the After Effects. Also, all files are attached in the description, so feel free to check them out. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the After Effects. First, drag and drop this box PSD file into the After Effects and check this editable layer styles. And select this composition retail layer sizes and hit OK and double click on it and you will get these layers. So lock the background layer and hide the star and type your text. So I'm going to type like, and fill color is white, and enable the stroke, and stroke color is black, and stroke width 1 pixel, and move the text in the box here. Okay, so now go to the beginning, press P at the position keyframe, press S at the scale keyframe, press U to see both of these keyframes, and go few frames and select both of these keyframes again and Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste here, and go to the around 2 seconds and move this text up like this and increase the scale size, and again go few frames and select both of these keyframes, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. So this small animation is ready. So select all of these keyframes, F9 to ease them, and we will apply expression on this position. So hold Alt and type loop out, open bracket, close bracket, inside this add double quote, and in the double quote type ping pong. Again Ctrl C to copy this expression and apply the same expression on the scale. So hold Alt and Ctrl V to paste the same expression. So it will animate like this. Alright, so now we have to do one more thing, rename this text layer. So I'm going to name it front underscore text. So now Ctrl to duplicate, move it under this text and change the color of this. So let's make it blue and name it back text, and select the back text layer and go to the effects, time, and select this echo. And go to the middle of the animation, you will see like this echo. So change the echo value, let's make it minus 0.020. So now we have to change the back color. I will use this color palette for this all text. So I will move this one here and select this back text again, and we have to change this number. So first color is this one, red. Again Ctrl to duplicate, select this back text 2 layer and move it under this text and change the numbers echoes value. So let's make it 2 and change the color of this, so make it this second color. Again Ctrl to duplicate and select this back text 2 again and change the number of echoes. So let's make it 3 and change the color of this. So let's make this 3 color, and again Ctrl duplicate and select this last layer again, and we have to select always this last layer. So this is the our last layer, back text 2, and change the number of this. So let's make it 4, and 4 color is this green, and Ctrl to duplicate, select this last text and make this 5, and this is sky blue, and again Ctrl to duplicate, select this last text and let's make this number of echoes 6 and change the color of this 6, this one. Now delete this color palette, and if you play this you will see like this motion trail animation. Alright, so now let's do one more thing. Select this box, Ctrl to duplicate, move it up, and I'm going to mask this box. Select the pen tool and mark this box outer area. If you play the animation, then you will see your text is coming inside from the box. Now let's enable the star and let's apply some expression on it. So I'm going to use this expression. So select this second expression and Ctrl C to copy. You can download this expression from the description and press S, hold Alt and Ctrl V to paste the expression on the scale. it will create like this pulse animation. Okay, now press R and add one more expression on the rotation. So hold Alt, click on it to add the expression and type time asterisk 100. It will create a rotation as well. Okay, so now we have to make this multiple copies. So Control to duplicate the star and move this layer. And we have to make the lot of Control to duplicate, Control to duplicate, Control D to duplicate. We have to create lot of copies of this. Also, if you want to change this text, then you will see behind text is not changing. So we will use another expression for this. So copy this first expression and select this back text layer and expand the back text layer, expand the text and select this source text and hold Alt, click on at the expression and Control V to paste. And if your front text name is different, then you have to change the name here. Okay, so now select this again, source text, and right click on this copy expression only and select all of this text layer, back text, and Control V to paste. If you change the first text, like we are going to change subscribe, then you will see everything is changing now. So this tutorial is completed. If you like it, then hit that thumbs up. All files are attached in the description, so feel free to check them out. Also, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating. Bye bye.